as I wrap up teaching you about master prompts, I want to give you 7 different types that you can use. In case you don't know me, I am Michelle with Mind Your Business Incorporated in the Atlanta, Georgia area, helping you to travel more, work less, and increase your income with AI. I want you to be able to travel more. I want your business to be successful. And so one of the ways to do this is through AI. You can have it do so many things for you and make your job easier so that you'll have more time to do the things that you like to do. So the first type of prompt is the role-based prompt. And what it does is it sets the identity or gives the identity that the AI should adopt. So you're going to tell it you are and then you're going to give it the role who helps, you'll give it the audience, achieve, and then the results. So for an example, you are a Christian business coach who helps women turn their faith into income using scripture-based strategies. What you have done, or the structure of this, is you have given it the role, Christian business coach. You have given it the audience, which are women, and what are the results. Number 2 is the task-based prompt. And this prompt is going to tell AI to carry out a function and to do it repeatedly. You do this if you want to save time and if you don't want to have to keep explaining something. The structure of this is you're telling it to do a specific task in a specific format or structure, and you're going to give it any required elements. So for example, write a 3-day cruise retreat itinerary with reflection time and meals and 1 main activity per day. Number 3, tone and style prompts. This will help control the voice and the vibe, your layout, all of that. And it helps to have what you are creating sound more like you. This is going to help you with any type of branding that you have. So the structure of this would be respond in a tone, then you're going to tell it to format with whatever type of style or features that you want. So for example, respond in a friendly but professional tone. Use short, bold headlines followed by bullet points. I'm going to stop here for a moment and ask you if you would please like or subscribe. This lets me know what has interested you so that I can create more of it, and it helps the content to get to others who need to learn how to use AI. And I'm sure you want people to be successful because you want to be successful. This will help me. So thank you so much for liking and subscribing. Number 4 is your framework master prompt. And this helps you if you're doing any type of model or system and you're trying to structure. It can take the complex ideas and just clarify them. So if you're going to use this particular prompt, you're going to use the framework name and you're going to explain how to using a topic or a goal. So I have created my own framework. It's called the 4M framework. So if I'm using this as a prompt, I'm going to tell it to use my 4M framework and to explain how this framework will increase income for those that are working with me. So it's the structure that you're using, the framework that you're using, and you're going to explain how it's going to reach their goal, or it's going to explain a topic. Number 5 is your template based. This is like a plug-in so that you can keep reusing it. It is going to cut your time in half. And it also helps you if you're trying to stay on track and keep a more consistent message. So the structure of this would be to write with your type of content, 2, the audience that you're looking for, inviting them to an event, a system, or whatever, including any format elements. So an example of this would be write a workshop reminder email to registered guests with a friendly tone. Let it have a bold subject line, reminder details, and a link to join. That is the structure for your template-based prompt. And this is something that can be used over and over again. So if you're not doing a workshop, maybe you're doing a meet and greet. Write a meet and greet reminder email to whatever your group is. Use a friendly tone, bold subject line, reminder details, and a link to join. So this is your template that you can use over and over again. Number 6 would be your problem solving master prompt. And this helps identify any roadblocks and generate a solution that is a little more tailor-made. This is faster for getting insight, and you don't have to go to Google or brainstorm. So the structure of this is let X, possible reasons why, you give it a problem, and you offer a unique solution for each. So just in case you didn't understand me, here's the example. List 3 reasons a Christian coach might not be getting retreat signups and give a unique solution for each. Okay, and that can be any. List 3 reasons why a retreat owner is not getting attendees to their location and give a unique solution for each. This is your problem solving. This is going to help you if you need any type of strategic planning or you need an answer to a problem. Number 7, the last and final one, is content creation master prompts. And I'm sure you've seen this everywhere. Everybody's doing content creation now. What it does is gives more consistency for whatever platform you're using. So if you have a lot of content that you have to make, this is good for that because it allows you to do what's called batching, and batching is to do a bunch of it at once, and it also allows you to repurpose. So the structure of this is create a format for the platform about the topic, written in a tone, given the tone, and include the features. So for example, create a 1-minute video script that answers one frequently asked question about cruise retreats, written in a scroll-stopping way. You want people to not be able to stop. You want them to keep looking at it, so you say scroll-stopping way. God bless you, God keep you is my prayer. If you need a little more assistance and you're just really not getting the master prompts, watch the above video that talks about what master prompts are and how to get started using them.